Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Balsa Wood Airplanes is probably one of the most rewarding and engaging hobbies you can pick up, offering a unique blend of craftsmanship, physics, and fun. Whether you're a seasoned model builder or a curious beginner, constructing and flying your own rubber band-powered balsa wood airplane provides a hands-on learning experience unlike any other, allowing you to witness the principles of aerodynamics in action and enjoy the thrill of flight. Number 5. Sky Bandits Airplane Kits. Get ready for hours of fun with our exciting new airplane kits. They're easy to assemble and perfect for kids and adults alike. These propeller planes are powered by rubber bands. Just wind them up, toss them, and watch them soar up to 50 feet. Our glider planes are designed for long-distance flights. With a simple throw, they can glide up to 25 feet. These kits are incredibly easy to put together. The simple slot and tab design means no glue is needed. These classic toys provide hours of outdoor fun for kids and adults. Perfect for parties, gifts, or just a fun afternoon. These airplane kits make great gifts for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. They're also perfect for party favors or stocking stuffers. Organize fun competitions with friends and family. See who can throw it the farthest, make the most accurate flight, or achieve the longest flight time. What we like. This versatile set offers a variety of flying experiences. It includes both propeller and glider planes, perfect for different skill levels and preferences. If you're looking for a fun and accessible activity for the whole family, this is the set for you. What people say. Just like 60 years ago. The plane design is fire and man that propeller plane the best, and so is the glider. There are 2 gliders and 2 planes in the box, all wrapped separately, which made it easy to divide for 4 stocking stuffers. Number 4. Sky Bandits Airplane Toy Set. Get ready for takeoff. This set includes 10 exciting aircraft, ready for immediate assembly and flight. Let's explore what's inside. These 2 planes are powered by rubber bands. Wind them up, toss them into the air, and watch them soar up to 50 feet. These balsa wood gliders are incredibly easy to assemble. No glue is needed, just slot and tab construction. It's classic fun for all ages. With reinforced noses, these gliders are designed for long flights. A simple throw can send them up to 25 feet. These 6 foam gliders are lightweight and durable. Their 7-inch wingspan makes for hours of fun. They're perfect for kids of all ages. Turn your backyard into an airfield. Challenge your friends to farthest throw, most accurate flight, or longest flight time competitions. These airplanes are great for birthdays, parties, stocking stuffers, goodie bags, or just a fun day outside. They are a perfect gift for any occasion. What we like. Get the most for your money with this bulk pack. It offers a mix of balsa wood and foam planes, providing durability and variety. If you need a large quantity for a party or event, this is your best bet. What people say. They fly well. They are fun to assemble. Old school happiness for my grandson. He really likes them. Number 3. Sky Bandits GMP 17 Airplane Kit. Rediscover the joy of simple pleasures with these delightful balsa wood airplane kits. They're perfect for kids and adults alike, bringing back memories of carefree childhood fun. No glue is needed. Simply slot the pieces together and prepare for takeoff. It's that easy to build these charming gliders. These aren't your average toy planes. With reinforced noses, they're built to soar up to 50 feet. Prepare for some impressive flights. These lightweight gliders make fantastic party favors for birthdays, barbecues, or any celebration. They're small, fun, and memorable. These balsa wood airplanes may not last forever, but the memories you create with them certainly will. Get ready for hours of outdoor fun with family and friends. Organize a friendly competition to see who can throw it the farthest, make the most accurate flight, or achieve the longest flight time. The possibilities are endless. What we like. These gliders are built for distance. Made in the USA with high-quality balsa wood, they're designed for impressive flight times. If you prioritize quality in long flights, this is the option for you. What people say. They're easy to put together and seem to be about the same quality as the ones I got 30 years ago. They definitely will end up broken, but not after a decent amount of fun. Very easy to put together and is very giftable. Number 2. Guillows Jetfire and Sky Streak Gliders. Take a trip back in time with this classic American glider. It's easy to assemble and soars up to 25 feet. With a 12-inch wingspan, it's perfect for racing or sharing with a friend. 2 gliders are included in this twin pack. This exciting glider is powered by a rubber band engine for extra long flights. Get ready for some serious air time. Watch it fly up to 50 feet. This twin pack gives you 2 gliders to enjoy, perfect for competition or sharing the fun. These gliders are great for travel, parties, or stocking stuffers. Fun for the whole family, ages 8 and up. These American-made gliders are a classic toy that's perfect for kids and adults alike. Get yours today. What we like. This gift set is perfect for sharing the fun. It includes both glider and propeller planes, offering a variety of flight styles. If you're looking for a thoughtful gift that provides hours of entertainment, look no further. What people say. Great toy, great activity, teaches great skill sets. Fantastic. Guillows is still making these. It's the perfect thing for children, of all ages. These planes are awesome from a nostalgic sense but are really not that wonderful from another. They fly pretty nicely for the first few flights. These planes are great. Takes me right back to the days of my youth. I have flown the same rubber band plane easily 15 plus times. Even got it stuck on the roof and had to knock it down with a pool net. Still flies every time. Number 1. Eagle Balsa Wood Glider. Get ready for flight. This glider is meticulously crafted from high-quality balsa wood, ensuring a lightweight yet durable design. Prepare for an unforgettable gliding experience. It boasts an aerodynamic design that maximizes glide time and stability. You'll be amazed by its smooth, effortless flight. Assembly is quick and simple, even for beginners. Everything you need is included for a fun and rewarding building experience. Its lightweight balsa wood construction makes it incredibly easy to launch and control. Yet, it's surprisingly durable, able to withstand many flights. Experience the thrill of soaring through the air. It provides endless hours of outdoor fun and excitement for all ages. Looking for a unique and engaging gift? This glider is perfect for aviation enthusiasts and hobbyists of all levels. It's a gift that keeps on giving. What we like. This classic glider is simple, elegant, and easy to master. Its straightforward design makes it perfect for beginners and experienced flyers alike. If you appreciate a timeless design and a smooth flying experience, this is the one for you. What people say. The kids had a blast putting them together. These are what we played with in the 60s to 80s. 2 grandkids played for 5 hours and had a blast. 2 are still in the package. They assemble and work as good as the ones I got as a kid 50 years ago. They produced the same joy for my 4-year-old granddaughter as I had at her age. Them directions are easy to follow and the guidance to adjust the wing position for level flight or to do loops is accurate. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.